When we start reading, I'll start my timer.
On a dark,
Let's false start. Go ahead.
on a dark and stormy night, the four shadowy figures made their way through the thick trees that showed the ghostly torches from the wind gusting around them. Ever so slowly, the foursome traveled to the hidden grotto for another meeting to the Dead Rider Society. After they arrived, Sam slammed the gavel, made a solid hook onto an old dead tree stump, and called the meeting to order. Security Sam opened.
Chandelier. The mouse had absolutely no way to get up to the chandelier unless it had climbed through the wall. The only explanation was that the mouse had defied gravity and crawled across the ceiling. Sandy couldn't help but notice that the mouse staring intelligently down at her from the chandelier was wearing a very tiny, very neatly stitched sweater and cowboy hat. Considering that she had just seen, she expected the mouse to speak to her, but instead it disappeared into thin air. That moment she was turning a point for Sandy. "Oh boy," she said in a disbelief. There, 200. Okay.
198, 99, 201, 2, 3, 4, 5.
But you got
Take
5
out
mistakes.
no 2. So 203.
So okay. I'm good. I'm good.